Call.
Heads.
It's heads.
I choose to bat. Your business is like a cricket test match. You have to stay on the crease, make sufficient runs and build a high score. And if you are able to do that, there would be challenges like pricing, spin balls, yorkers, but if you can rotate the strike and keep ticking, you'll build a high score, and your business is not only going to survive but it's also going to thrive. So till the time you think on this, let me have my innings started. So if you want to do that, we are going to offer you a 30 days hand-holding business program in which we are going to give you simple copy pasting strategies, but you have to act, and we are promising 11 people who are joining us in the first instance, and we are going to promise to give you a 11% growth in this 30 days, and that is for sure because these strategies are working for all. So if you're doing it, why to wait for? Click in here and join us. We are going to do that for you.